Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, and she is a very good intuitive reader. You can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have King of Swords in reverse, Ten of Cups, and King of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are having some kind of troubles. Some confusions are there, something is not right, something not happening as you expected. And maybe the people you are with, people who work with you, or people the person you are in relationship with, maybe their intentions may not be good. So it may be someone from your work or this person in your relationship. So they are really bad, and they may have some weakness, addictions, maybe something like drinking, smoking, some bad habits that is affecting their behavior, affecting um, the way things are going, your circumstances, maybe. So, this person you love, they cannot be trusted, Libras. Their intentions may not be good, or maybe for some of you, they may have some bad habits, addictions, but you are praying, wishing for a happy future. You want a family with this person, you love them, you love them a lot, and you want this relationship to work. You are wishing for this relationship, you are wishing good things for this connection, for this love, and you are quite concerned about this person. But this person cannot be trusted. So, we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Seven of Wands in reverse. So, maybe for some of you, this relationship, though you love them, though you pray and wish that things will change, this relationship is simply going to drag into a lot of drag you into a lot of confusion, problems. So this is not the relationship that will work, and you may feel really embarrassed to be with this person, to be associated with this person. So that is the way they are. But maybe for some of you, because with this Ten of Cups, it may be a rare case here, but maybe if it is true love you have, maybe that true love may change that person. They may realize their mistakes and they may come around. showing that kind of love towards you. So, for most of you, I see that this love is a bad news. It may not work, Libras. So, for your career situation, Libras, we have one card. It's Lovers in reverse. So, maybe in your work, if you are making some important decisions, you must think clearly. Think carefully before deciding on something important. So that is what I see with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the all-encompassing hand. Such a beautiful card for you all today, guys. So with this card, the energy is that this is the hand of the divine that is reaching you today. And there is no limitation for the blessings it can bestow and the troubles it can lift from you and the tenderness it can communicate to you with that sacred touch. So all you need to do is allow that divine hand to reach you. Do not turn it away. Do not let your shame or mistakes or guilt or notions of independence keep you from accepting this blessing coming in your way in your life today. So this divine hand is here to wipe away the tears of the past. Maybe you are hurt, you are hurting, you are in a lot of pain, and this is a help coming to unravel the ties you have bound your hands with, preventing you from fully giving and receiving your worth. And this hand is here to help you, and the help this hand is going to give you is without limit. So you just need to accept this blessing coming in your life today, guys, for those who chose this card. And this oracle card also comes with a special message. Maybe you in your life, you are in a circumstance or in a situation and you feel that that circumstance is not resolving, or it is not, you are unable to solve the problems you are facing. And this oracle guidance comes with a reassurance that there is nothing beyond the reach of the divine hand of grace. So all can be solved and all can be resolved. So there is always a higher, better and a more beautiful outcome in your situation with that divine blessing. So that is what is the energy with this card, guys. So there is a blessing coming your way for those who chose this card, and divine help going to reach you today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what is the card. The day boy and the night girl. Balance. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, each and every one of us have that darkness and light in us, the good qualities and the bad ones. So whatever it is, we need to find that balance. And we need to find that balance because only then we will be becoming that whole person. So sometimes we go through times when we are still or quiet, and we may walk unwatched. People may not see us. Sometimes there is light shining on us, bright light shining on us, bringing us into that radiant life. So we need to understand that this light and darkness is part of our life, and all the qualities we have, maybe some good qualities, bad qualities, whatever we have, that is what makes us our whole self. So we must embrace all those qualities, the masculine and feminine qualities within ourselves. And now is the time for us to work with our fears, whatever we have, and overcome it. And balance is needed for this true wholeness of our being. So we may have certain fears, certain inhibitions holding us back. Whatever it is, we must try to understand it and overcome it. And this card may also suggest that you are healing from a very bad childhood trauma, whatever you faced in your life, and there is a whole new world waiting for you. All you need to do is go out and reach out. That is what this card is about, and that is the reading with these cards, guys, for you all today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.